I'm leaving my mother out on the streets. Death took my father when I was young, so I was raised mostly by my mother. Being a single mother is tough, but she made it work. We didn't see eye to eye on much, so we fought a lot, but we've kept a good relationship anyway. Even after I married and moved away, we're still in touch often. A few months ago, she blindsided me with the news that she sold my childhood home. I was upset that she hadn't told me, and I'd never get a chance to say goodbye to a place that meant a lot to me. She basically told me to suck it up and mind my own business. My mom moved into an apartment, but before long, she was complaining that it was expensive and difficult to live alone. A few weeks ago, she demanded I let her move in with me. I have 2 kids, and there was no way we'd have room. I told her no, but she blew up on me. She called me an ungrateful daughter who was abandoning her to the streets after everything she did for me. My family is siding with her, but I just can't fit her in my house. However, I'm also suspicious. I don't know how she can't afford to live when she only just sold the house. Something isn't adding up, and she hasn't answered where that money is gone. The fact that she didn't tell me about the sale until afterwards is also telling me she's lying about something. I don't know if I can trust her, but I certainly can't let her live with me either.